Hey beauties! Today I'm so excited to be sharing some tips on how to best shop the Nordstrom anniversary sale from a former manager. I figured that since I have some insider experience on shopping the Nordstrom anniversary sale, I would share some of my lesser known tips on how to make sure you get the items that you want before they sell out, and how to find the best deals and how to know what's gonna be the best popular, what's gonna sell out. These are things we need to know before we actually go in and shop. If you are new to my channel, my name is Deandra. I post lots of fashion and beauty content. If that's something you think you would enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Now that I've done the shameless plug, let's go ahead and get into my top insider tips on how to best shop the Nordstrom anniversary sale. If you're curious, I actually was the assistant manager of the Top Shop and BP department at Nordstrom Galleria Dallas. That was back in 2014, 2015, so it's been a hot minute, but I still feel like all of these tips are very relevant today. So let's get into them because I am rambling. Tip number one is to shop the sale beforehand. Nordstrom card holders do actually get first dibs, if you will, on shopping the sale. They do have different tiers based on how much you spend at Nordstrom within the year. So obviously the people who spend the most at Nordstrom get first access. And I know credit cards are a very personal thing. I'm not encouraging you to go out and get a credit card. If you do typically spend a lot of money at Nordstrom, it is a given just because you get points and you get what's called Nordstrom notes depending on how much you spend. So you're basically just getting cash back for shopping at Nordstrom. If you are a card holder, Nordstrom card holders do get $100 in free alterations every year. That alterations benefit is a big thing for me personally, and I know a lot of card holders take advantage of that. Also, just shopping online, they are giving us an online preview of the sale and anyone can look at that. Of course, a lot of sale items are hidden from online and general public until the sale goes live for everyone. So that kind of leads into my next tip, which is to connect with a sales associate. So everyone at Nordstrom, even managers, are on a commission base salary. You know, depending on what position you are, commissions are different. Even just a regular sales associate is having to call and make appointments for anniversary sale. So they're ready and willing to set an appointment with you, pre-shop for you before you even come into the store, and have a whole fitting room set up for you based on what you're shopping and what they think you'll like from your picks. Even if you don't have a credit card, you can set an appointment for that like first day general access. They will most likely bring you alternative styles if the items that you picked are sold out. It's like having a personal shopper for free. I know working with sales associates who are commission based is kind of a turnoff for some people, but your favorite bloggers are also commission based as well, and everything that they're suggesting that sales associate also has access to. They're able to feel the quality of certain sweaters. They're able to really personalize your shopping trip to you based on the items that you tell them that you're really wanting. And yeah, I mean, you can even walk around the store with a sales associate, and I guarantee they have friends in different departments that have the insider knowledge of what's going on in that department. So let's say you're shopping in Topshop and you go down to the cosmetics department. They probably know someone down there that they are friends with that can pull different items for you as well. Or even in the shoe department, if you're looking for a certain size, that they can go back there and look for you. And it just makes that whole shopping experience so much more fun, especially during the Nordstrom sale. And I really recommend finding a sales associate that you like and enjoy to set an appointment with and come in and shop with. You can take advantage of the alterations while you're already in store. If you're on the fence about a pair of jeans being too long, they can call the alterations department for you and have it altered. So don't feel like you have to go in store at it alone. Because even if you aren't a card holder, those sales associates are there for you and they are there to help you. Coming from a former manager and sales associate, I know that it's fun for us to walk around the store and shop for different people. They might even find items that you've missed online or you would miss in store. Again, because they do have friends in different departments and they're there all the time. They're already shopping this sale, I promise you. Moving right along to tip number 3. Shop for items that you know you're going to wear over and over and over again throughout the fall season and even in seasons to come. This is the time to snag those higher end, well quality items at a good price. Personally, the biggest things that I usually shop for during the Nordstrom anniversary sale are items that I otherwise splurge on. So boots and booties for the fall, designer jeans, popular brands and items. So when I say popular items, I'm talking Spanx leather leggings, Barefoot Dreams, the hanky panky underwear goes fast, Free People stuff goes on sale, which they usually don't. So just popular brands like that, Tory Burch, Kate Spade. My next tip involves beauty. I personally love to shop their skincare and their hair care. You guys know how expensive skincare is, and a lot of times skincare does not go on sale ever, especially if it's good high-end skincare. So that's one of the first things that I shop in the beauty department. Hair care as well, just because I do like to splurge on skincare first, then hair care. A lot of times sets do come in again at Christmas time at a great price. So I do tend to skip out on like the more trendy beauty sets right now because I do buy a lot of that at Christmas, or I put that on my Christmas list. But if you have, like, let's say you love the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick color, it's a great time to buy that and stock up on it just because lipstick lasts forever. Also, the Laura Mercier powder always goes on sale during the anniversary sale. It's a great time to buy that. I know that's like a cult favorite for a lot of people. Another thing that is major to shop for during the Nordstrom anniversary sale is beauty tools. They do have the T3 curling iron on sale. They do also have like the light therapy lights for anti-wrinkle included in the anniversary sale. I'm looking on my phone. Another really cool beauty tool that I saw they have is the Dermaflash 1, which it is a exfoliation and peach fuzz removal. They are including the PMD, which is the sucker, the pore cleaner. Even the Dr. Dennis Gross light therapy mask is included in the anniversary sale. So if you've been eyeing that, that never goes on sale. I would definitely snag one of those. I will go ahead and leave links to some of the items that I'm just like really loving, so you guys can kind of see what's going on with that. And my last tip is to use the Nordstrom anniversary sale just to see what's going to be on trend this season for fall and winter. For example, I wasn't sure if the snakeskin booty trend was still going to be on trend for 2020, and I'm still seeing lots and lots of snakeskin booties this year in the anniversary sale. So I know I should probably keep my snakeskin booties ready and waiting in my closet for fall this year instead of purging them from my closet. Things like that. Don't feel like you need to buy everything. I know we're in a pandemic. It's a hard time for a lot of people. Don't feel like you need to buy everything in the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I know social media can put that pressure on some people to feel like you need to keep up with the Joneses, but you definitely do not, and you can use the Nordstrom sale as a guide to see what's trending this fall and winter, and then find dupes for it. In fact, I was kind of thinking about doing a Nordstrom anniversary sale dupes video. I did one last year and I had so much fun with it. So if you want to see some Nordstrom anniversary sale dupes, definitely let me know down in the comments or by hitting the thumbs up button, and I can get that up ASAP because I've already kind of been shopping for some dupes. You guys know I love a good look for less. I am sure you guys have seen a whole bunch of other videos showing you what's a part of the Nordstrom sale, but I just wanted to share my tips on how to shop to get the best bang for your buck, and I really hope that this video helped you with that. If you want to see the look for less video, definitely let me know, or if you're curious on what I'm purchasing, let me know as well, and I can get both of those videos up for you. And if you want to binge more of my content, I will leave 2 of my videos right here, as well as that subscribe button. So if you made it to the end, you may as well hit that subscribe button and stick around for more Nordstrom sale content, because there's more coming. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.